How to connect to your project on Grupuko via MCP. As you can see on the main dashboard, there are examples about how to connect your AI coding via JSON or command line. Both way would require an API key from you, so let's head to the API keys on the left sidebar. Here, just click on Create New Key and give your API key a name, then hit Create Key. Your key will be shown on the pop-up. Remember, this key will only shown once, so copy it and keep it somewhere safe because you will not ever get it again. Next, open your project using Terminal and enter as following.
Here you will paste your API key.
Then just hit Enter and type CLAUD to enter Claude Code. Then type /MCP to get access to the MCP Manager of Claude Code. You will see the Grupuko MCP is added but disabled. Press Enter to select it and select Enable. After a short time, Claude Code will be able to connect to the MCP and you can see the list of tools that our MCP provides. Since then, you are ready to go. Let's try a simple prompt to test the MCP connection. It ran perfectly. Now we move on how to config MCP via JSON for anti-gravity. In anti-gravity, on the right-hand side of the AI agent panel, click on the three dots, select MCP servers, then click Manage MCP servers. After that, hit on View Raw Config. This is where all the MCP config for anti-gravity are saved. Paste our example code from the dashboard to the correct position. Don't forget to change the mockup API key with your real API key. After that, press Ctrl and S to save the file and close anti-gravity to reload the saved config. After you reopen anti-gravity, you will see that the MCP is connected with all the tools just like in Claude Code. Now let's test some prompts. It worked just fine. Now you are free to enjoy a faster and cheaper way of vibe coding.